Welcome to Code with Percy. Today I am going to take you through AWS Cloud Practitioner free practice exam. I hope this video can improve your understanding to AWS Cloud Practitioner. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more of these content. Question 1. Answer is economies of scale. Because by using cloud computing, you can achieve a lower variable cost than you can get on your own. Because usage from hundreds of thousands of customers is aggregated in the cloud, providers such as AWS can achieve higher economies of scale, which translates into lower pay-as-you-go prices. Question 2. Answer is AWS Trusted Advisor. AWS Trusted Advisor is an online tool that provides you real-time guidance to help you provision your resources following AWS best practices. Trusted Advisor checks help optimize your AWS infrastructure, improve security and performance, reduce your overall costs, and monitor service limits. Question 3. Question 3. Answer is Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS. Amazon SNS is a publisher-subscriber notification service that uses a push mechanism to publish messages to multiple subscribers. Amazon SNS enables you to send messages or notifications directly to users with SMS text messages to over 200 countries, mobile push on Apple, Android, and other platforms or email, SMTP. Question 4. Question 4. Answer is changing AWS support plans and changing the account name. Some tasks can only be performed by the root user of an AWS account. This includes changing the account name and changing AWS support plans. Question 5. Question 5. Answer is Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS. The Amazon Elastic Block Store, EBS, provides block-based storage volumes for Amazon EC2 instances. Root volumes are where the operating system is installed and can be either EBS volumes or instance store volumes. Question 6. Question 6. Answer is elasticity. Elasticity can resolve the issue of underutilization as you can easily and automatically adjust the resource allocations for your compute resources based on actual utilization. This ensures that you have the right amount of resources and do not pay for more than you need. Question 7. Question 7. Answer is updating the firmware on the underlying EC2 hosts. AWS are responsible for updating firmware on the physical Amazon EC2 host servers. Customers are then responsible for any patching of the EC2 operating system and any installed software. Question 8. Question 8. Answer is customers should rotate access keys regularly. It is a security best practice to rotate access keys regularly. This practice ensures that if access keys are compromised, the security exposure is mitigated. Question 9. Question 9. Answer is configure a firewall in front of resources. Some forms of DDoS mitigation are included automatically with AWS services. You can further improve your DDoS resilience by using an AWS architecture with specific services and by implementing additional best practices. Using a firewall with AWS resources is recommended to reduce the attack surface of your services, which can mitigate some DDoS attacks. Question 10. Question 10. Answer is Amazon Aurora. Amazon Aurora is a relational database that is compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL database engines. Aurora is extremely fast and scales up to 128 terabytes. You can also deploy replicas for read scaling within and across regions. Aurora also offers automated backups. Well done if you completed all those questions. Thank you for liking and commenting and subscribing.